Mommy's put on face makeup. So you're going to put the face makeup on too. And you're going to do the eyes.
We'll do the non-liquid kind because I...
Okay. So let's do the face makeup first, okay?
Face makeup's first. You need the sponge.
I'm not going to do it.
Oh,
Bayla's going to do the face makeup.
Do you need a sponge for that? Let me get you the little makeup sponge for that.
I should move back a little bit. I can't really get all of you in the picture.
Mm-hmm.
There we go.
There you go. Good job. Beautiful.
Can I do your head?
Mm-hmm.
Oh, your forehead.
I can paint her head too. Would you like to paint your head too?
Let's just do regular lady makeup. Okay, pretend that I'm going to work.
Yeah, that's a good idea.
Okay, there. You're all done
Okay.
with that.
Very good.
Now, Bayla's going to put the eyelashes on you. Close your eyes.
Okay.
They look good. Wait, don't open them. I'm still not done yet. Okay, it's your turn, Lillian. I'm going to do it.
You know this is going to be beautiful.
Of course.
Do I need to get closer?
No? And I'll do the lipstick. Or both of them.
And you can't forget eyeliner too, Lil.
And
There's
blush.
some
Do I need blush?
And bronzer.
Yeah, blush.
Yeah, and bronzer. Something like
I'm not
tan.
done yet, don't open.
Okay. I won't open until you're done. All the way, okay?
And I got a mirror for you
Okay.
with lipstick in it.
Excellent.
That one won't show up very good.
Yeah, get a dark one. Maybe that would be better.
Mm-hmm. You're almost done. Okay. You can keep it on my direction.
Oh, and I need eyebrows too. Don't forget I need eyebrows.
I forgot about eyebrows. I need to get an eyebrow pencil for you.
Don't open it. Not yet.
This is, you know how Mommy draws her eyebrows on Lil? This is the eyebrow pencil too, whichever. Okay, Bayla, here's the eyeliner if you want to do eyeliner. And Lily can do eyebrows.
If you know when it smells.
I don't know what that means, but that's awesome.
It's good advice, is what it is.
Don't open yet.
I won't.
Oh man, that's not a good one.
Don't say, oh man, when you're doing my makeup. It doesn't make me feel very confident.
I need a lighter color. Anyone have a lighter color? Babe, do you have lighter colors? Girlfriend. Thank you. These are
It feels like Lillian is spending a little more time on my left eye than Bayla spent on my right eye. Am I going to look unbalanced?
No.
Okay. Oh,
Never.
You just have to wait a minute.
okay.
Patience, grasshopper.
Yeah, patience. Patients always wait till their makeup is done, don't they?
Yes, the special patients do.
Pink is better on you. Yeah. Pink and purple. Hey, don't open the eyes.
I'm sorry.
I got some on your cheek.
We'll pretend it's blush.
But we're pretending you're really going to work.
She's really going to work,
You can't say that word.
Oh. What kind of job do I have?
I'm not telling what to say. Not done yet.
Don't forget eyeliner and eyebrows.
There, all done. And I'll put on the lipstick. Put it to your lips. And then I'm gonna do a lipstick too. Okay?
Two lipsticks?
She's got 2 lips. Talking about
Oh, I guess so, yeah.
That feels kind of thick.
That way it'll last all day while you're at
Bailey,
work.
can you not do all the parts for me? 'Cause I want to do some parts too. Bayla, are you taking so long? You look beautiful. Can I do some too? She's already done. Oh no, don't put
Don't
down.
forget, I need eyebrows.
Yeah, Lily, you have the eyebrow pencil by you. You can draw eyebrows on, huh? Oh, that's okay.
Put your lips together.
That is very thick.
I've got blush and bronzer over here too.
Eyebrows. Eyebrows here. Here comes eyebrows. I really can't do it.
Yes, you can. You know where the eyebrows go.
Up under.
There you go. Perfect. Wow, you're doing a great job, Lil.
Do you have any different colors of it?
No, that's it. It's the
Just
only
eyebrow
color.
colored.
I don't look like Gigi.
Oh God. On a good day or a bad day.
On an everyday.
I'm not done yet. I'm not done.
Yeah, there you go. That's eyeliner. You know where eyeliner goes?
No.
Along your lash. It's right
Above
here.
my lashes.
Yeah. So she needs to close her eyes.
There you go. I think. I don't know.
Mm-hmm.
Right. Put your upper lip.
Mm-hmm.
You open your eyes.
Oh, you
Yeah?
went to water?
Not done.
Did you put blush on? Or bronze? That blush stuff over there?
This one? Okay. This is... Okay, can I put it on?
You do one side and Bayla can do the other. How about that?
Okay. Because I go on my cheek. Hey! I need to do that side.
You want down?
There you go. Thank you, Lil.
Thanks for
Really,
sharing.
that's not enough little plastic.
I need more.
You need more eyebrows.
I need to get
And
you to
you
do
need
eyebrows.
more black on it.
Black?
More eyeliner.
Oh.
What else does she need? I don't know.
Let's see. It's looking good. I don't know.
What is this, Mama? What's this, Mama?
Eyeshadow?
Can we both put them on? What's that?
It's black eyeshadow. It's supposed to be really dark.
Where does it go?
On your eyelids, just like the purple and pink does.
I want to put it on her cheek. Oh,
Okay. And you're doing her makeup, so.
What?
It's contouring.
Like blush.
You look beautiful when you open your eyes.
You guys tell me when I can open my eyes. I'm not opening them until you say I can.
Bailey, you reckon all that float thing, right? I know. You have to be quiet till she looks beautiful. Because she looks beautiful with it on. Need more on her. Don't laugh. She's gonna look beautiful.
She will, and she does actually. Not a question of will.
Sure she does. If you know, you can see her.
Whenever you ladies are ready to say she's done. I don't think you'll ever be done.
Will, a little bit.
done yet? I have to go to work.
No.
She does have to go.
Where-
I'm gonna get fired.
Maybe.
If I don't go to work
I
right
would
now,
fire you if you showed up.
Are you really going to work?
Yes! I work at McDonald's!
No, you're tricking us.
No, seriously, I have to go to my job right now.
It might take a little while. We're going to paint it till tomorrow.
Oh, pain
Why?
tomorrow. Oh, Harrison. Oh, nobody.
Okay, seriously, I have to go to work
All
now.
right.
I'm gonna get fired.
Oh, yeah, you better let her. Okay, time's up.
Uh-uh.
She has to go to work.
It is not. It's
I think.
We have business to do. We're makeup girls.
You want her?
Where do you
And
work?
you're next.
Oh, boy.
Can I open my eyes yet? They're very heavy.
Yeah, I'm sure they
You
are.
can.
Are they
Okay,
sticking
what?
together?
Alright.
Okay.
Can Aunt Chris look over here?
My
Hi!
eye.
Hi!
Look at your face. Look at your face.
All
Oh,
right.
look awesome! That is so pretty!
Mama,